It took a hurricane to bring her closer to the landscape. Half the night she lay awake, the howling ship of the wind, its gathering rage, like some dark ancestral spectre, fearful and reassuring. Talk to me, Huracan. Talk to me, Oya. Talk to me, Shango and Hattie, my sweeping back-home cousin. Tell me why you visit an English coast. What is the meaning of old tongues reaping havoc in new places? The blinding illumination, even as you short-circuit us into further darkness? What is the meaning of trees falling heavy as whales, their crusted roots, their cratered graves? Oh, why is my heart unchained? Tropical Oya of the weather, I am aligning myself to you. I am following the movement of your winds. I am riding the mystery of your storm. Ah, sweet mystery, come to break the frozen lake in me, shaking the foundations of the very trees within me. Come to let me know that the earth is the earth is the earth.